is a website that I'm building for a friend. It is built in Cursor. It's a e-commerce website with a lot of sections, and the dashboard will give you the choice to customize the home page sections. So when you come to the home page, I want to change this background with something different. I quite don't like it. I don't like it the way it looks on the page, because if you see, it is leaving a lot of empty space. So I want to change this, and there's another problem. As soon as the page loads and if I scroll down, see, it looks like as if there's no content. Basically what is happening is this section is taking time to load. So I'm trying to see if I can disable the animation of that. So let's quickly try that. I'm not going to the AI immediately. I'll try to do that manually first. So when you go and see, you can see that this syllabus section is defined. When you see on the UI, this syllabus section is defined in the admin dashboard. If you go and take a look at it. So let's search for syllabus and let's see where we can find it. Since this is in the home page, let's try and see if you can find the home page. Okay, so as per the search that we had triggered, it had already sent us to the syllabus. But is this the home page? That is the question. No, it's not the home page design. So okay, let me close the backend and we'll go and see the front end code. Pages, home page. Okay, so now you might be wondering where these names came from. This is made entirely by the AI, so I did not define these names as such. Okay, let me see how the page is rendered. So you see, it's exporting the home page. If I go and take a look at it, this home page is getting rendered, and let us see the imports. So syllabus section data is imported here. Let us search for this. This data is coming here. Case is syllabus. So basically in JavaScript, if it is a case, it's selecting that data accordingly. And we have this render syllabus section, but then is it getting rendered? Let us check that. So here is the part where we render the sections. Let me comment it out and check if we can confirm the same. Okay, so this is the entire section, and the home page content is being set up. Let's see if we can. Let's comment out this section itself. Let me see what happens. This entire div will be commented. Okay, let us see. So it's not bringing any change, which means that this is not the home page section. Now we will take some help from the AI. Because I was on this page, it's trying to contextualize, so I removed the context. Tell me which file is entering the still there, which means that somehow we are not able to find the right page. But still, let me do that. Let me reload the page again and see. Okay, the changes are getting applied. See, the syllabus section has disappeared. So see, manually I have been able to um, you know come to the place where this syllabus is visible. I uncommented it. If I comment it out, it will disappear again. See, it has disappeared. So we know which section is for the syllabus. Also, the AI has come back with the answer. So it is also, I think, um, giving us hints, and this home page section, so it is also pointing to the same file now for the case syllabus, right? So what we had found was syllabus case and the same code. So the human and the AI are thinking in the same way. But now let us ask the AI to do the change. So I'll write it. Can you reduce the time to load of the animation for the syllabus section? It takes, and I will give it the reason. It takes time to load while I am scrolling to that area, which is white. Looks like there's no content in that zone of the home page. Okay, in the meantime, we will try to find where the animation. Oh God, I think I did something wrong. I'll hit it again. So syllabus section, and cut this file. Syllabus homepage, syllabus section data. Let us try and find out by ourselves if we can debug that issue. Okay, the syllabus, motion div, variance, visible, viewport, amount, and motion. Text full, span, absolute, initial, viewport was true, while in view. See, transition, duration, delay. So I think it will be editing this part. Let us see. See, it is trying to edit the duration somehow. So let's accept this change. Duration is 4. So which duration has been edited? Let us see. So there are a lot of pages. Okay, so it has changed the duration inside the home page. Okay, and so which part of the code has it updated? This part. So container variants, I'm just telling you how I look at the code when the AI is writing it. So container variants render the featured product sections, and the container variants has been picked up from there. So this part of the code is understood by the AI that will change, do the changes. So let's see how it is affecting. I'll refresh the page. There is a little bit of improvement Now what I will do is I will apply my own fix also. So my thought is that I should edit this render syllabus section itself, and I have found that this transition duration is here. So um, this motion div also is here. I think this is for the right. So this container variants part, this container variants animation is getting applied on this main div. This main div is responsible for the delays, but inside, if you can see here, these are other motion divs that are having their own durations. So I will increase this duration, or like let's say I'll keep it 3, and let's see what happens. So it seems that this is not bringing that change that we want, so we don't need to worry about this duration. But this duration, of course, it will bring the change that we desire. So I'll come to this section, and the duration I will make it 0. Okay, I will make it 0, and let us see the changes. Go to the page. So as soon as I get into the view, it loads. See, so that error of not being able to see the text when I scroll to that area of page is solved. Now I can choose to keep this duration as I like. So I'll keep the duration to 0.2 because I feel that's more comfortable for me. Now when you come here, you will be able to see the data immediately, and it will not give you the the illusion of not having any data on this section of the page. Okay, so I'll close the recording here for this one issue that I have solved. Stopping.